Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is nutrition for nurses, and today we are going to discuss about food pyramid. Now food pyramid is a graphic representation which help us to get an idea what type and what amount of food item we need to use to prepare the balanced diet. I think you can see now this is the way that we are preparing a food pyramid, where a triangle representation will give an idea what type of food we are using. Here base where we are using cereals. Here we are using second row is fruits and vegetable. Then comes pulses. Then milk and meat product. Then the upper apex says that fat. Now when we see this graphic representation, very easily we understand what we are going to use. Now this broad end where lower base, they say that which we need to use it in a more quantity. Now here cereals, you see that comes your rice, wheat. See we are using a rice in our lunch, dinner, we are making a roti, chapati. See that will be a major portion of our diet. Then followed with that we are using different vegetables and fruits. So these definitely we eat rice with some curry. So that might be prepared with kind of vegetables. The third columns, the third row falls with the pulses, which help us to get the protein. So that also included a little major portion in our diet. Then next comes a milk and meat product. Definitely the use of milk and meat product will vary depending on each region and status of an individual, because what generally we believe that these products are little expensive. But the last one, a row upper here, it's a narrow apex. It says about fat and sugar. So this we need to use it in a less quantity in our diet. So when you use this in such a way, we are able to prepare a balanced diet. So food pyramid is nothing but it's a graphical representation which gives a clear idea about the individual how they can prepare their balanced diet. So when you prepare a balanced diet, major portion around 70% portion goes with this last base, cereals and your all the what all the rice, wheat, jaggery, jowra, what you use, it goes with that. So this is the way, but the balanced diet should include a very less amount of fat and sugar. So generally we say that avoid fat foods, don't eat much oil fried food. See generally, because generally people has got that knowledge that how they are preparing this food pyramid. Now what's the advantage of preparing this food pyramid? Now this food pyramid will give a knowledge about the preparation of this balanced diet. Now individual easily understand when they see this. Now this food pyramid structure, it is also used to educate the individual. Even a common people and lay people, we can educate them with the help of this food pyramid how they can prepare their balanced diet. Because once you prepare a balanced diet, then only that will help you to meet your nutritional requirement of your body. People must have an idea that what food they should take it in a major amount and what they should take it in a very less quantity. If they don't have an idea, then definitely people may eat more fat, more sugar in their daily diet, but they're not going to get any kind of vitamins and nutrients in that. So that's the reason this food pyramid is really very important. Now food pyramid is also used as a tool to assess the nutritional status. Food pyramid is also help to prepare the balanced food so that a family can meet the nutritional requirement of all the individual who are there in that family. From the infant till the old age. To the old age, we can prepare a different diet. Food pyramid, it's a simple way to educate. It will provide a health education. It motivate their people to understand. It motivate the people to gain some knowledge about that nutritional food preparation. Food pyramid also give an idea how to prepare the therapeutic diet. Therapeutic diet means a diet which is used to given for a patient who suffering with some disease. Based on their health condition and illness, we are making some modification. Now see, when they see the food pyramid, they understand rich in protein, milk and meat product. Then we need to avoid that for certain disease condition. Then they get an idea in which way I need to select the item and how I need to prepare the therapeutic diet. Food pyramid also gives an idea to the individual how widely they can select the item to prepare their food, so that definitely a person can prepare the balanced diet so that they can meet their nutritional requirement of their body. Definitely not only the individual, we can meet the nutritional requirement of whole family also. So this is all about food pyramid. Once again I'll tell you, it's nothing but it's a simple graphic representation which gives you a clear picture that how you can prepare your balanced diet. I hope you understood. Please keep reading. You can get this question for the exam. Then definitely please prepare this food pyramid so that you can mention here, this is the area where we can use a more amount of food in your diet, and this is the apex region or that fat and sugar which you can use it in a lesser quantity. Rest all we need to balancely use so that we can get all the vitamin, minerals and all the nutrients so that you will be healthy by preparing this balanced diet. I hope you understood. Please keep reading and keep watching. I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.